Yo, what's up everybody? Welcome back to another vlog. So in today's video, guys, we're gonna be training back, but it's gonna be a little different, guys, because I'm finally gonna be able to use the new fit. So this is probably what you've seen on this channel before, but it's always hooked up to Ross. Today, I'm gonna do it. So actually we got two leads. So we got leads for me, we got leads for Ross. I have never done this, although I have had it hooked up to my legs before. It's insane, and so I'm a little scared. This should be fun. I know Ross is gonna try to kill me because we're filming today, so should be interesting. And again, I'll have Ross explain the benefits and why we're doing this, because it's gonna look crazy, guys. I'm gonna look like Weapon X. It's literally how I'm gonna look. I'm gonna have all these leads up connected to my muscle parts while we're training. They're gonna be sending signals, they're gonna be sending blood. It's gonna be an absolutely intense workout, but it should be fun. So everybody just sit back, relax, enjoy this workout.
All right, so we're gonna pad up Logan right here, again with the new fit. So we're gonna go with his, basically on the structure of his back, sort of the mechanics of the back. So we're gonna get right here, right there, right there, right in the meaty part of the lat, right in the bottom. And we can manipulate these pads however we want to whatever kind of goal we're trying to achieve. Now what's great about this machine, and it's different than a TENS unit, because a TENS unit contracts the muscle. This lengthens the muscle. And the current, instead of going directly onto the muscle like a TENS unit, this is going through his muscle into his brain. So his brain is actually getting stimulated to fire more optimally, harder, stronger, recover faster. So we're actually tackling his brain here via the pads, via his back. Now after this, Logan is gonna do this to his man parts, because he's actually transitioning into a female. So this is gonna be the first step to become a vegan. What's going through your mind?
I'm a little nervous, a little scared, because this is why.
You should be.
Because Ross is obviously a pro bodybuilder, and when I see him in here struggling, like almost wanting to cry during workout sets because he has this thing on, I'm like, oh my God, if he's crying, he's in pain, what's it gonna do to me? I'm glad we're starting on back day, which is my favorite day, and I feel like one of my strongest points.
We got our first set here. We're just gonna call this a warm up, and then after this set, it's all working sets for every exercise. We're doing 3 sets per exercise, 3 or 4 exercises. So we're gonna do.
How many reps? For
the first set, we're gonna do 15, 20. And with this machine, we want to spend time on the stretched or lengthened position, and the contracted and the shortened position. So he's gonna spend about a second, a 1/1000 count there, and then a 1/2 count.
Oh yeah, oh my God, oh yeah. Holy crap, guys.
Feeling that?
Oh my gosh, yeah.
I bet you are.
Oh my gosh. Holy shit.
Good.
All right, here we go.
And then when you get stretched, squeeze your pecs. So when he's in a lengthened or stretched position, and you squeeze those pecs, it's gonna actively protract his scapulas, which gets a deeper stretch in those lats.
I think feels good, huh?
Oh yeah. I feel it big time in that top right.
Good. Just doing 90 pounds here.
Good, everything's good. Come on, Ross. Come on, Ross. Come on. Do it.
Oh! Last set here. Rick, what frequency we're going at?
We're on a 25 frequency,
And his intensity is running up to
40 this time.
40. Okay.
Feeling
First,
it all over. Feeling
all
it all
over.
over. Oh yeah. Once I feel that initial. Oh, here we go.
It's ready to go. It's go time. Come on. Last set here. Good.
Oh God.
Come on.
Oh.
Good.
Wait, is this top of 3 right here? Is this top of 3? No, it's top of 3.
Good. Come on. Good shit. Good set.
Good. Good. Good job.
Pull.
13,
Pull.
14.
Last one. Good shit. Good job, bro. Okay, last set of chest supported T-bar rows here. Very easy to cheat this machine and get momentum. We want to make sure Logan is not focusing on moving the weight, but contracting his muscle. This machine just beats you up, dude.
Here we go. Here we go.
Come on.
Oh shit. Here we go.
So he's got the grips
1,
on the wide placement. So we're targeting more of the upper back right here,
3,
as opposed to the middle back.
Come on, Logan.
5,
Good job. Good set. Good.
6,
Good stretch. Good
Come on.
stretch.
7,
Good stretch.
Halfway there.
8,
Good.
9,
Pull.
10, 11,
Come on. Keep
Go.
going.
Last 3.
Keep going.
13.
Good.
Oh my gosh. Oh, that thing was kicking my ass.
All right, we got single arm dumbbell rows. My favorite exercise with this machine. We're splitting the pads, so he's got his left side going, or his right side going, while his left side's off. If you guys hop on my channel, I'm gonna show tutorials of all these. So we're doing the single arm, so make sure you watch. Quick tip, single arm dumbbell rows. This is set 2, guys.
Okay. Okay, you got it on the other arm. That's fine. That's fine.
I'll switch it.
Okay. Okay.
Just tell me. I can switch it.
Okay. Yeah.
It's easy to switch.
Okay. Yeah. Let's do the right arm. Oh, okay. Here we go. Here we go. I feel it. Oh my God. Yeah.
Let's go, bro. Come on.
Oh yeah. Let's go.
17 reps. Switch your feet.
1, 2,
Good.
3,
Good. Stretch and pause. Stretch
4.
and contract.
5, 6,
Come on.
7,
Get your chest up.
8,
Come on, Logan.
9, 10, 11. Oh,
Good.
30, 40, 50,
Good. Come on.
60, 17.
Good job.
Oh,
Left arm here.
oh my God.
Come on.
Oh
This
shit.
side's rested. Let's go. Come on. Come on. Let's roll.
Come on, vegan.
Come on.
Use those little tofu muscles. Soy boy. Soy boy alert.
Come on.
Good.
Come on.
Perfect. Perfect.
4,
11 more.
5, 6, 7, 8,
Come on.
9, 10, 11,
Last 3.
12.
Good. Good, Logan. Good job. How do you like that? It's good? We got some
You know how champion.
reclining rows here. One of my favorites, especially to finish or to warm up with. So he's gonna be reclining. See this? You know, have a tutorial on this.
Oh, give me a little more. Oh, there you go.
Looking to just finish out the lats here.
Oh God, yeah,
Right
that's
there.
it, that's it right there. Oh,
Is this what it feels like to be in ketosis?
Oh my God.
Come on.
Ketones out the roof.
Huh? Come on. Come on, embrace it. Come on.
Ah,
Come on, take it.
9,
Good.
10,
Good.
11.
Good.
Oh,
Here's a 20, come on.
That's how you
30.
grow. That's how you grow.
40, 50, 60, 70, 80, 40. Oh.
We're done. Good work.
Okay. And flush that out. So what I'm doing right now is I'm doing a 500 frequency. You're training at the 25 frequency, which is 25 beats per second. Now this is 500 beats per second. It's just like constant, right? But what we're doing is we're flushing blood. We're rolling blood through there. We're lengthening the muscles out, but at the same time, we're getting rid of all the lactic acid, right? So that is going away right now as we speak. So yeah, just bring it in. Bring it on in. Feel your back. There you go. You're squeezing your chest, then your back is stretching. Good. Just do a few of those hand to hand. It's no big deal.
You're just trying to flush the blood out here.
Believe me, you want to do this. That's all he knows.
It's like you're lighting.
Come back a little bit. Right there.
Got the Olympic, a lot of guys at the Olympic wish they could spread like that.
Lean back. Lean back. Right there. Spread it. Yeah, right there. Yeah.